Just heard a snap and 2 of our spokes are broken. We love this so much. We replaced Timmy with Carl, and I think Timmy's ghost. I'm just kidding, but in all seriousness, the Thule carts have always been fantastic, but I feel like they make them not as good as they used to because he does not have any more weight than Timmy did.
These things just snapped. I mean, there was no warning or anything.
And we never had that issue on our first walk.
No.
So.
And we don't have, I mean, I didn't even put a full gallon of water in there.
Yeah.
Half a gallon of water.
So Thule, a little explanation, please. Luckily, when we were near Polly's Island, Cyclopedia gave us a couple spokes in case this happened, exactly 2. And we have 2 to replace it.
Yeah, I've never done this before by myself, so I'm not just trusting the process right now. But
you're doing great. Downside is we are going into a rural stretch, so these gotta last.
Yeah.
And just like that, we are back where we started. We'll see what today brings.